Hi, let me teach you how to speak to the person that you love in Ndebele. Okay, so first of all, you call them Sthandwa, which means my love. Okay, Ngiyakuthanda means I love you, right? But if you want to say it even better, say this: Ngikuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I love you with all my heart. Okay, this is what you can say as well. Unjani? Bengikhathazekile ngawe. How are you doing? I've been worried about you. Okay. Ngiyakukhanuka. I miss you. Wenza impilo yami ibe mnandi. You make my life beautiful. Okay. Here's something else you can say to your loved one. Ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokungipha wena. I thank God for giving me you. Okay. Another thing you can say, ngithanda indlela obobotheka ngayo. I love the way you smile. Okay, say it. And here's a question you can ask your beloved. Ngingaphila njani wena ungekho? How could I live without you? Ndebele is romantic, guys. Ngiyakudinga eceleni kwami. I need you close to me. Okay, ngiyakudinga, I need you. Ngithanda yonke into ngawe. Okay, so in love you can lie, right? To exaggerate things and make the next person feel better. So here you are saying, I love everything about you. Everything. And then, inhliziyo yami ichayela wena. My heart beats for you. You can also say, nguwe wedwa enhliziyweni yami. I'll say that again. Nguwe wedwa enhliziyweni yami. You're the only one in my heart. Lovely, right? Uthando lwami kuwe lukhulu. My love for you is big. Okay. Then in the morning, don't just say good morning. Say uvuke njani sithandwa sami. Good morning, my love. And in the evening, you say what? Uchone njani sithandwa sami. How was your day, my love? All right, go ahead, use them. Continue to speak Ndebele with your loved one and beyond. See you in the next lesson.